Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So so this is a 2020 Mustang Shelby GT500 and this is by Bburago. So this is from their 1:64 scale series and I think this is from the premium. This is supposed to be the premium series. So I think so. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So I personally never bought any Bburago in this particular series. So I bought this other version which we unboxed last week, but this one with this acrylic case and all this things, I never actually bought this. So this costed me around 946 rupees, which is mentioned as the MRP. I think so, yeah. Okay, the MRP they mentioned around 995, so I bought it for I removed that. I bought it for 946, I think around 950 rupees. So let me slide this out. That is packed tight. Okay, they went really serious on this premium aspect. Everything looks really nice. Actually, it has a window here. I forgot to show you guys. It actually showcases the other side of the car. Really neat. Okay, let me put this aside. So the acrylic case is really hard. Mine has a small scratch here, but it is okay. I really don't mind unless or until it breaks. So okay, let me remove this. Done. Okay, so the casting does look really nice. Let me unscrew this. Okay, it has two screws in two different areas. I think we did it. Maybe not. Come on, man. Yeah. So this has some pieces here. Okay, the base actually is very sturdy. It looks really nice. It has this uh, pattern here, and the Bburago logo is really neat. I mean, you can actually feel this one. This is a bit slippery compared to this entire base here. Let me put this aside. I don't want to miss any of these things because I am going to put it back anyways. I mean, keep it back. In this case itself, I don't have any space at all in this. I literally changed this home because I don't have enough space. But right now, even after changing to this home, I don't have enough space. Okay, let me close this. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So like I told you guys, this is a glittery blue color. I mean, I'm not sure if you are able to see this in the video, but it is glittering really nice. And hi, me likey. Okay, so let's talk about the detailing here. Okay, so you can see the acrylic headlights here. That is really neat. And I mean, the grill detailing, the GT500 and the logo here, everything looks absolutely awesome. And so it has acrylic tail lights as well. That looks really nice. And okay, so the body is metal and the spoiler is plastic. So the hood details are really nice. Let me see if this is plastic or metal. Okay, that is plastic, I guess. Yeah, that is plastic. Okay, the chassis is plastic, but the chassis actually has a good amount of detailing to it. And the tires are rubber. The rims are actually unique to this particular casting. So, and on top of that, it has opening parts, which is really nice. You can see here. It has good interior detailing to it. And let's see if it snaps back into place. Yeah, it does. It does not loose. And it has rear view mirror details. Again, So in this particular casting, the rear view mirrors are actually pretty dull because I was hoping they would do something like uh, true to this particular car, but they didn't do that on this one. But apart from that, the casting looks absolutely beautiful. Let's see if it has suspension. Yeah, it does have suspension. I was not expecting that from Bburago, but still it does. It really has really nice detailing to it, even on the interior. The spoiler here has this similar carbon fiber pattern here, and I mean detailing wise, it actually looks really beautiful. I mean, I'm not having any complaints here on this. So let's weigh this casting and see how much this weighs. Okay, 43 grams, not bad. Let's see if it rolls. Since it's a free rolling wheel, we need to test it. Wow, that actually rolls really good. Maybe sometimes. Yeah, sometimes. Still, it rolls actually good compared to a lot of brand which is supposed to roll. Okay, one more thing I missed out is it has wiper detailing here. That is really great. The whole casting looks absolutely beautiful. So on the rating aspect, so we need to do something on this brand specific. So I would say 10 out of 10 because I don't see any issues with this casting because it actually has all the detailing to it, and it actually has acrylic headlight, tail light for this price point, and it is a really neat competitor even for Mini GT if you ask me, because there are maybe few things here and there which is not up to the mark, like the rear view mirrors on this one more specifically. So they could have went with the like true to this particular car, but they didn't do that. We need to check on the other two castings how that one actually looks, but rest everything looks absolutely beautiful. And only thing is, we did unbox the CCA last week, right? So that was like, it is a full metal casting for 450 rupees, but there are a lot of differences, right? That actually doesn't have acrylic headlights or taillights; those are painted, and that doesn't have rubber tires. But the wheel detailing was really nice because that is true to that particular car itself. So this costs like double that money. So I was expecting this, and I mean, like, the rear view mirror and a metal chassis instead of a plastic chassis. But okay, anyways, so they actually, whatever they did, they executed it really well, so I'm happy about that. Yeah, so this is a 10 by 10 casting. I don't have any issue with it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.